Welcome to Bombshell Bytes. I'm Dominiqué Williams-Blair, and today we're going to get into a cardio workout with jump rope. As simple as it sounds, I found out there are a couple of people that are struggling with it. As adults, no judgment here. So I'm going to show you how to get some effective jump rope exercises. So, starting off, because if you get tripped up a little bit, this might be the issue. What you want to do, like when I have, this is my own personal rope, so it's set, but if I'm at a gym and there's different ropes, what I do is test it out for the length and to make sure that it's enough for me. So when I use it, it's not too long and not too short. And then they usually have something where you can adjust and knot it up. So if this works out for you, it's about here. So I have it at my rib cage. And we're gonna go hip width distance, a little bit more. And you plant under your arches the rope. Stretch it out. Of course, you step forward. You're gonna press that rope behind the heels of your feet, like so. And jump. It's a simple up and down motion. You want to stay a little light on your toes so you're not doing too much on your knees if you have bad ones. So again, it's very light. One of the reasons I started doing more jump rope is that I got into boxing. And this is a great way to warm up before you exercise. So I consider this a warm-up exercise and an exercise alone. So if you do 2 minutes of this before you hit the weights, it's great. So you'll get like the whole body warmed up. So you already got the basics, right? So I'm gonna come here, and I'm a little on the twinkle toe side. And we're gonna move our feet. We're gonna stay on our toes. Right, you're watching. This is right on the tippy toes. If you're jumping like this, that might be the reason why you're a little heavy footed, because you need as little space as possible to get caught up. They're very light. So this, very shocking on the knees. Not what you want to do. And it's okay if practicing without the rope is what you need to do first. Hop, hop. You might feel a little silly, but it's okay. I'm doing it too, so you can feel silly together. So it's like you're springing up. You find that rhythm? Cool, great. You're there. Another one, we're going to do the step back and forth, and on the heels and the tip toes. So that's how you get a little powerful with your jump. So it's that motion. You got it? All right. And you can go right on the toes and you switch. Get that rhythm. So with that, in case the rope was distracting you, it's this and this. Back and forth, back and forth. That's all I'm doing. Very light on your toes. It's gonna make you more agile, faster, and you'll be able to move the rope a lot faster. So again, so I get questions or comments about my jumping all the time. And with your arms, it's not a lot that you're doing, but moving your wrist like this. It's very quick. It's more like a twitch. So it's not your whole arm you're bringing up. You're doing that, you're doing way too much. So let's keep it simple. Let me know how this works out for you. Keep jumping.